Ratby Locksmiths, call 07729554332 for a professional locksmith service. Mortise locks fitted from new, replaced or upgraded to British standard. Yale locks fitted, upgraded or replaced. UPVC multi-point locks replacements and repairs. Ratby Locksmiths are dedicated to providing reliable and efficient locksmith service. Need to upgrade your security, or require key duplication for your business? We've got you covered. Key to light cylinders, anti-snap cylinders, and replacement cylinders. Day or night, rain or shine, Ratby Locksmiths are ready to assist you promptly and professionally. Ratby Locksmiths have a range of residential locksmith services to help you make your home secure. We can supply and fit the ABS 3-star Euro cylinder. Ratby Locksmiths offers a residential locksmith service as well as a commercial locksmith service, with a range of services for all your security needs. Whether you need lock repairs, installations, rekeying, Ratby Locksmiths has the expertise to handle it all. Here at Ratby Locksmiths UPVC door lock repairs, we have repaired and installed almost every type of UPVC locking system on today's market, from single catch window locks to high security, multi-point deadbolt mechanisms. We deal with them all. If your UPVC locks are giving cause for concern, phone us now. Don't wait until your key has snapped in the lock, or you can't gain entry to your home. Ratby Locksmiths, used by the Prince's Trust. City and Guilds qualified. Contact Ratby Locksmiths today on 07729554332. Ratby Locksmiths, the only locksmiths you will ever need. Thanks for watching.